If a lawn tractor begins losing drive power or struggles when traveling uphill, the drive belt likely needs to be replaced. Welcome to WholeToolBox. The first step in this maintenance process is removing the mower deck to gain clear access to the drive system. This is achieved by carefully removing the clips, washers, and linkages to slide the deck away from the tractor. While the deck is removed, it is important to inspect other components for damage. Check the electrical wiring for the clutch for any signs of rubbing or exposed wires. If the insulation is scuffed, it can be repaired using electrical tape and secured with a protective sleeve and tie wraps to prevent further wear. To remove the old belt, locate the engine pulley and the anti-rotation link. Using a 9/16 socket, loosen the bolt holding the belt guard in place. It is not necessary to remove this bolt entirely. Loosening it provides enough space to pull the belt down from the engine pulley and navigate it around the clutch. When installing the new belt, feed it through the chassis to the left of the steering shaft. Ensure the belt is positioned underneath the guard before pulling it up and over the engine pulley. At the rear of the machine, the belt must be routed inside the fan guides and seated firmly into the rear pulley. After the belt is positioned, tighten the belt guard and reconnect the clutch wiring. Finish the installation by threading the belt through the tensioner pulley, which is linked to the brake pedal. Once all components are secure, a test drive will confirm that the tractor has regained its full drive power. Shop the exact part at WholeToolBox, link in the description. For trusted lawn tractor replacement parts and maintenance essentials, visit WholeToolBox.com. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.